And that is one of the biggest advancements in defense technology, a robotic arm that acts just like a human hand and can defuse a bomb. We can see exactly how it works and how it can help our troops. And there's been a huge development in the field of defense technology that can help our military. How this robotic arm works to save our troops. That's next.
We're about to show you one of the latest advances in defense technology. This is designed to defuse bombs, and it's shaped like a human hand and has near-human dexterity, strength, and speed. This is the new MK-1 robotic arm. And joining us is one of the brains behind this technology, Dr. Tom Van Doren, the Chief Operating Officer of HDT Robotics. Great to have you, Tom.
Thank you.
Okay, tell us about Lefty the robot and what he can do.
So Lefty the robot has the revolutionary MK-1 robotic arm on him, which you can see is looks somewhat similar to a human arm. He's missing a couple of fingers, but he's got dexterity that's very similar to a human arm. He can lift about the same weight that a human arm can do. This arm is very compact and lightweight.
And look at his fingers. I mean, they're just like, they look like a human hand. I could even shake his hand. Oh my gosh, Lefty, that's a little strong. Oh,
so these fingers were actually derived from a revolutionary prosthetic arm that was developed for DARPA and the Johns Hopkins Applied Physics Lab.
So let's see some of the things, the human things that Lefty the robot can do. For instance.
Okay, so Lefty can use many of the same tools that a human hand could use. So you can see here he's going to use a power drill.
Yeah. So obviously someone is operating Lefty remotely, and so Lefty holds the drill, and what happens here?
So the drill is being teleoperated, and Donnie here will hold a piece of wood, and then Lefty's going to see if he can't drill a hole in this 2x4.
Wow, that is very cool. Okay, so that's cool stuff, but what is really significant is what he can do in terms of diffusing IEDs on the battlefield. How does that work?
Yes, so if there is a suspicious package, say,
like this backpack that we have here.
Yes, so Lefty might want to go down and inspect that, and he could take a device with him that if it is an IED, he could disrupt it. So what he does right here is he'll go down range. The EOD tech or the bomb technician would be operating him. He'll inspect the package and see if there's anything suspicious about it. So you can see that as he opens this one up and looks inside, there's what looks to be an explosive device. This happens to be a training device here. But then he'll take this gray bottle, which is a water disruptor. He can place that on the suspicious device. Then Lefty can go to safety. The EOD technician can set that off, and no human was ever downrange to be in harm's way.
So obviously this will save lives. How soon until you think it will be on the battlefield, into someplace like, say, Afghanistan?
So it's coming out of research and development right now, and we expect that in 12 to 18 months this will be available for military and law enforcement use.
That's wonderful. And if people want to learn more, they go to your website.
HDTglobal.com. You can see more videos of Lefty at our YouTube site for HDT Global.
Well, Tom Van Doren, Lefty, thanks so much for coming in and showing us all this great technology.
Thank you.
Thanks, Lefty.
Thanks, Allie. Coming up on the program.